Hello, YouTube. I'm here to talk about my comic book Elmer. I've actually been talking about it ever since I joined YouTube in 2006. In fact, one of my very first videos was a trailer of Elmer. And it's a project I started way back in around June, July 2006. That's when the first issue came out. And the second issue came out later that year. The third issue a year later, and the fourth issue a year later. And then it was finally compiled into one book last year in 2009. And it up until that time, up until now, it's been available only here in the Philippines. I've been sending copies to people abroad, but it's mostly just been distributed locally here in the Philippines. I'm happy to say that it was finally picked up by an American publisher, SLG Publishing, formerly known as Slave Labor Graphics. They picked it up and it's going to be released on November 1, 2010, this year. And it's already available now for pre-order. If you would like to pre-order a copy now, if you pre-order this early, you will be getting a huge discount as opposed to if you will get it on the day itself. The discounts are bigger the earlier you pre-order. And you can pre-order it at several online bookstores. The first one is Amazon.com. If you go to Amazon.com/books, you can just search for my name, and Elmer will come out. And if you prefer Barnes and Noble, you can go to the Barnes and Noble website and search for my name, and Elmer will pop out. And I think it's available in some other online retail shops. I don't know if you have a favorite bookseller online. Check if you can see it's there. I'm pretty happy about this because for the longest time, people who wanted to read Elmer, I just send it to them directly, and it's been very expensive to send. Actually, it's more expensive to send the book by mail than compared to how much the book itself is. So it's been tough to do it that way. So I'm very glad that I'm finally able to share the story with everyone easily, as I do here in the Philippines. And for those of you who have read it online, you can read the first 30 pages of it online at SLG Comic. I think the address is there. You can read the first 30 pages for free. Okay, so for those of you who have read it, and those of you who have actually bought copies from me, thank you very much. This is a culmination of work that I've been doing for many years, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. It's always been my objective to be able to share my stories, not only in the Philippines but people abroad. That's why I wrote it in English, so that lots more people could read it. And maybe if you would like to check it out, give it a chance. Maybe you'll like it. Maybe, perhaps, if you like naked cursing chickens. uh, I will probably make another video about this very soon. Till next time, YouTube. Bye bye.